Bongo ideas have been arrested. Bongo ideas, and so we name na me throw the little background about Bongo ideas and who nipa me can say Bongo ideas a very young guy in 2021 November 14th. Na namba anamoa mo ye wo mo program bi. Enti program no na wo mo pe enkofo a wo mo do mba be yes programs ntino your mo call for audition ema Bongo ideas ekokopie na ba mo program no so enti okoduru ho na eduru no so no na say on presenting about political show, and in the course of presenting na Bongo ideas na kasa eka say he write about facts but no the only good in presenting this any man no enti wo kan sa no ena na ba na mo ka say so you write about facts, okay, ene ne ebe eye wo dia eho ena womo ema Bongo ideas hu say yene ne egina wanim he say kra na ye interview no watwetwe nsem bibrebi afa ye ho a sa nsem na otwe ni nyina bako bia ni wa ye no kra nti fact na wo kan ne yen mensem momre no yenko ne yenkotwe videos na ananse sa video kro na ema ye hu Bongo ideas our 14th November 2021 mo yenko yenkotwe.
Present your political show.
Welcome to another edition of
has a blog
fact, so I don't think I'll be.
You write
facts.
When you write this, hey Sewa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is about agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things that is meant to tarnish someone else's image. What's this factual about what you've written about Sewa?
I mean, Twitter is a different world, you know.
How? Twitter?
Get that right. You can't even spell am I. You can't even spell it. Yet you think you can sit behind a phone and write crap on Twitter about people. Simple am I. You can't spell it. But that's not the point. You question people's relevance. How relevant do you think you are? Because I've seen tweets of you rubbishing Lydia Forson too.
I need to get the source of. I mean,
it's your phone. Your phone is in your pocket.
So you said you deal with facts. Yes. No, we wrote just on October 10 that the 4.5K issue that person is paid more than you at GH1 TV.
Do you know my salary?
How did you know?
That's why I'm telling you that what you see on Twitter is different from.
When you sit on Twitter and you write utter nonsense about people. You've said horrible things about me, Sewa, Lydia Forson, Bridget, other people on your Twitter. Here I am. Say it to my face.
Why should I?
Why shouldn't you?
Because Twitter is not real life.
I have always said that people who bully people, when they see them, they can't even talk.
You can't even.
You are a very clear example of those people. You can't.
If you sit on Twitter and you say that it's a different life, and you can insult Lydia Forson that you haven't met before, and you meet her, you will go shush.
In fact,
you can't speak like right now.
Because it looks like when you meet real human beings, you can't express yourself.
You cannot. You go back on Twitter and write crap.
Yes.
Go ahead. I don't care. But the thing is, you couldn't say it to my
video. No, no, and this is how a man Ghana for be na ebeti Bongo ideas enka. You know, after such a video, we need some issues we circulate here, and a man for be na say now. Sadie ne boy ne yebeboa no with the way na ba na moane ne girls no agu Bongo ideas animase no ene ye ne ankasa yebepe kwan bi so na yaboa no enti a whole lot of radio presenters ni bi ne some bloggers bi say on be ma natural blogs na de ama wo mo, but we don't know what happened. Yehu yan say Bongo ideas I take over ewo social media no so especially Twitter artists and ensema ocho ho de enye ensem ketwa this will be one sama ba any obetra asem abasisi a this we hu say issue we asi no atwe to the stand say omampen dada mahama mu nyina no Bongo ideas etre ensem efa wo mo. The latest person or trend ensem fa no ho ekofa bubu eba ye Kisinachu emra Kisinachu ye no Bongo ideas ebe trend ensem bi efa Kisinachu na otre sa ensem no ewie ye no eno enema asemwajan ebeso and how asemwajan so taking over the case no ye na adwen say Bongo ideas in some work can on your one now or not. He's coming for him, and when he gets me, Bongo say he cannot be writing trash or saying all sort of things about Nkofo and whom. These are some of the things that now air course Bongo ideas and as a more jam and tem. Fast forward no Bongo ideas me no kase ya channel. The ban say na channel. Ni na say just about 3-4 days ago no Ghana president announced Nana Akufo-Addo ne yere aye Rebecca Akufo-Addo edi ni birthday. Na birthday na wo di no enumu na Bongo ideas call Twitter and started say all church nsem efa Nana Akufo-Addo ne yere no ho na nsem Bongo ideas no one thing about nsem of church say a fact about Akufo-Addo and Rebecca marriage no until sansem no kan no eno na manfo susu say ebia sansem no na ama enu nti yakwakoche Bongo ideas na ni na say Bongo ideas ye chi no 14th yes 14th ahomachi 2 AM na Bongo ideas ye kwache no ni fie a wone ne maame ene ni niece ene ne grandmother a wo mu wo fie na ahomachi be 2 AM na enkofo bi eba ho a omo hye yese policefoɔ entaade na wo mu bowura fie ho na omo bisa se Bongo ideas dan we na omo kire ne se ni dan ni no eno omo twe ni pie without even telling the family members ni be omo de Bongo ideas ekɔ no eno omo de see private car mu edno ekɔye na before ansana ye be tie asema Bongo ideas ni niece no ekafa Bongo ideas ne arrest no yenko na yenko ready asema o twereye edifa Nana Akufo-Addo ne yere Rebecca Akufo-Addo ho a enunti amafo suspect say no na ama yachi Bongo ideas no moma yenkonko release a nsem no eno na me dey atom screen so no or say facts about Akufo-Addo and Rebecca's marriage it's Bongo ideas no or say Rebecca was the wife of Akufo-Addo's best friend in UK. Not just Rebecca now or Akufo-Addo ne best friend be eyere. When Rebecca's husband passed on mysteriously, Akufo-Addo hurriedly married her. And not just say Rebecca ekununu ewi ekwanya amanfo ananse wo no Bongo ideas ni esusu say yade ana amanfo ante ase ananse na ehu kakra. Okay, enti ban sa na tese Akufo-Addo ye ntentem na oware Rebecca. The Swiss marriage raised suspicion as to whether they were secretly dating all along or he just snatched a grieving widow. Enti na tese akwese the way Akufo-Addo eware Rebecca ntentem no akwese opese ni nsema woke nyina na akwese either say na wo mo ehyehyehye ho wa bra na oni ni kunu no Rebecca ni kunu wo ho anan say ohun say Rebecca kunu efrimu na Rebecca guso a wodi ajojo anan say ne ra ho na no say ne sa dia me mra me hye na me mama me anije na me ne obi a metua ma na ni age. Okay, before their marriage Akufo-Addo had 4 daughters. All 4 daughters had different mothers, some dead, others alive. Akufo-Addo adopted Rebecca's child as stepdaughter, making his case 5. After 26 years of marriage, Rebecca has no biological child for Akufo-Addo. The reason seems to be biological incompatibility or age or both. Why would Akufo-Addo marry Rebecca if not for procreation? Info has it that he simply married her as a trophy wife because she is the daughter of a former Speaker of Parliament and Akufo-Addo had always wanted her for himself. Eti utie Bongo idea na say before ansa Akufo-Addo and Rebecca krabe wa Akufo-Addo ewo enkwala enan a sa enkwala nan ni nyina no aso bia ne maame a maame fo no kura no ebi awu na ebi nso ye de ete ase ba na Rebecca de ewo oba baako na Akufo-Addo ma no nyina nso ye ma na Rebecca nso wo oba baako akora baako enti Akufo-Addo adopt akora no edne kan wono ne ma no be ye 5 na wo bisa say adenti na Akufo-Addo eware Rebecca say if on person na Rebecca ebewo a enti na kwa say either say Rebecca no wa wantumi anwa ma Akufo-Addo nyina is because maame no entumi enwo ana Akufo-Addo entumi wu biem ananse eyempenye bi era wo maye enti na ama wo mantumi ayeden anwo biem no na wo mo etna mutna nyina no na Akufo-Addo de oyo obi a no na dwimu no opese oware Rebecca with all cost because na Rebecca obi a na oye former speaker of parliament bi eba enti na Akufo-Addo de wo no onyini nyina no na Rebecca obi a na ni je no ho a ope no enti wa mira Rebecca ne kurukura to na wo nwuye ne kuru ne nwuye nyina no na Akufo-Addo ekọ empaso an empire wo bo nyina se Rebecca kuru no entumi emfiri mu animanim ya na ono Akufo-Addo enkohye enti after 26 years of marriage Rebecca na Akufo-Addo ware ne tese aware a omo ware no awode awode omantumi anwo bi we ne nsem a Bongo ideas ababeka edi afa ye friend say Rebecca Akufo-Addo emra tama na wo di ne how do you call it the birthday no eno ena ema Bongo ideas ekwotre sansem na sansem na Bongo ideas ekwotre ena manfo esusu say wakọ akire dodo because this has been his ways or they criticizing nkofo account nkofo wonsem ne won ye kura no na wo ye nsem a Bongo ideas atwere ne nsem waka e wo ne Twitter page na say ne X page wo no ukọwa ebeye onwanwa. And so these are some of the comments ni bia this are how far boy no etumi ekọ to give like obe punchy to the heart so o kan nsem no wo di watan o kan kwama na ya kura na say he has been saying numerous things about people, celebrities, the mere people out there now, whatever it is, no. But I think that this time around, no, baby, or the fire, and Rebecca Akufo-Addo, one and some now, no. And no, and a month for you to say, Ama and Intino, achino. Now, young Quincotier, necessary no comments, and now will make an answer after say a chain, no, in some unnecessary no air can edify. Ne arrest no yenkonko timra.
I'm trying to get to her na yedi come on. Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, yeah, good afternoon.
What to say? Would you want to mention your name?
No.
Okay. Okay, Mpacho, what is it? And also any day?
Okay, so the Bongo ideas to me.
Okay.
Me my last born.
Okay.
Me myself, I didn't know. I only found out recently when I went to the family meeting. So I heard, not like I heard, I was there this morning around 2 a.m. Some men came into the house. They were dressed in police attire. And then they knocked on his door and they entered and they just dragged him out. They said they were taking him to the police station. We asked them, police station, they stopped us from following them. They said we should look for a taxi. As at 2 a.m., we were not getting any taxi. So I pleaded with one of them to at least tell us where they are taking him to. So that when they break, we can come there. The man refused. And then they took him. We've gone to Soto police station, a couple of police stations. Almost everywhere we visited, they are saying they've not received such a case. Nobody has been brought there. So now we don't know where they've taken him to. His lines are not connecting. We can't reach him. Since 2 a.m. till now, we don't know where Bongo ideas is.
Okay. Now, Oman can't adukuntia. I'm picking it up.
They didn't say anything. They didn't say anything. I was trying to even tell one of them that without cash in share. We don't know what the person has done. The man didn't say anything. He was not telling us that if you don't keep quiet, then they dragged him out, put him in the car, and then they just drove off.
What kind of car? Police car or private car or taxi or taxi hailing?
It was a private car, sort of, yes, private car, and another car. They are not set. Track. All by 4J train and fine woman living there.
Who number plate now?
No, I'm taking notice of number plates.
So
everything happened in a rush.
But like, did they went into the room like unlocking and I said I don't get it.
We don't even know how the whole thing happened. No. We heard noise because as at 2 a.m. there, Obiada. So it was the noise that woke us up. Then we came out and then we saw them. They didn't give us any explanation. They didn't say anything. They just took him away.
Now,
in a family house too. It's just my sick grandmother, Bongo Ideas mom. And then one or two people. That's all.
Now, Marco Police Headquarters.
Yeah, me uncle say Marco Police Headquarters back home. Beside baby, but the day I'll call you. I see also call you no. I'm case be way. So one of the police officers no catch anything. Rage. Check you home. So rage. That's almost say. Receiving case there. Then they don't know what else they can do.
Okay, and how is Bongo Idea's mother's condition right now after this issue?
How is what?
Her mother's also on
We are all anxious. Like we are all anxious. And can you baby I'm gonna call? And I am calling you why you at least no count no you can't calm it down kakra. But here lies the case. We don't know where they took him to. That is our fear.
Okay, Mate. Alright. Martin, thank you very much. We report it and see what we about of it. Right.
I can show you. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, see Bongo Ideas comment no yakwa put and answer sister no the explanation as to how Bongo Ideas was arrested no na it's currently no family no enim baby a ye de Bongo Ideas akopi omuni baby a de Bongo Ideas akopi enti no on Emadek TV, Briki Achremo said Bongo Ideas has been arrested, but as to why inti or more arrested in the day, so see no family no enfa Emma Bonte ena obi anson family eno munim baby mpo a ye de no akwa akopie. Emadek TV mpacho subscribe to your YouTube channel no na like na comment, please subscribe and no here the more I will subscribe no na ame ya hodne so yetumi di nsem bebre say e de bro. Ye be san so share bi. That's it.